Remove the screws and preheating the phone. After the preheating is complete, start to disassemble the screen. This way you can reduce the damage to your phone. Body static test. Remove the frame sticker. Paste the original frame sticker. Put the black cover on and holding. Installing the official screen. Hold him again. Install the screws and stick to the bottom hole. Air tightness test. Has been restored to original air tightness. If you have a need for cooperation, welcome to consult. The mobile phone is diagnosed and tested again, and the test result is no problem. Original accessories are displayed on the screen.